We'll practice finding base angles of an isosceles triangle and the fraction of a circle's circumference for a given central angle. Here's the problem. An isosceles triangle in a design has a 40-degree vertex angle. Part A, find each base angle. Part B, a 90-degree central angle in a circle, subtends an arc. What fraction of the circumference is that arc? The diagram shows an isosceles triangle with vertex angle 40 degrees and base angles marked as unknown, and a circle with a 90-degree central angle and the corresponding sector shaded. For part A, recall that the base angles of an isosceles triangle are equal, and the sum of angles in any triangle is 180 degrees. So each base angle equals 180 degrees minus 40 degrees divided by 2. That gives 140 degrees divided by 2, which is 70 degrees. So each base angle is 70 degrees. For part B, the fraction of the circumference subtended by a central angle is the ratio of the central angle to 360 degrees. So the arc fraction is 90 degrees over 360 degrees, which simplifies to 1/4. Thus, the arc is 1/4 of the circumference. Remember, base angles of an isosceles triangle are equal, and the fraction of a circle's circumference for a central angle is the angle divided by 360 degrees.